Hello everyone, my name is Ved Shah. I am a middle school student from New York and today I will be educating you about sleep. What is sleep? Well, sleep is what everyone does every night. Sleep is a state of body and mind that usually reoccur for several hours each night in which the nervous system becomes largely inactive, the eyes closed, the postural muscles relaxed, and the consciousness essentially suspended. Why is sleep so important? Sleep plays a vital role in good health and well being throughout your life. Getting enough quality sleep at the right times can help protect your mental health, physical health, quality of life, and safety. No other activity delivers so many benefits with so little effort. How much sleep do we need? Well, it all depends on how old you are. Most babies need around 14 to 17 hours of sleep. Most children need 9 to 11 hours of sleep, and adults need 7 to 9 hours. Anyone over the age of 65 needs 7 to 8 hours. Factors that affect sleep. Consuming caffeine in the evenings will lead to disrupted sleep. Be aware of the caffeine in soda, coffee, and tea. Nicotine is a stimulant making it easy for smokers to fall asleep, but when smokers quit, it is extremely hard for them to fall asleep naturally. The more you smoke, the more you'll be likely to develop insomnia. Sleeping pills play an important role. There is a high risk of addiction when it comes to sleeping pills. With melatonin, you will need an increased amount for it to work. Sleeping pills will eventually make it harder for your body to fall asleep naturally. If you do need a pill to fall asleep, limit the dosage and avoid taking one every single night. Special diet. Fasting often increases wakefulness. Sleep disturbance. The three main causes of sleep disturbance are stress, electronics, and medical conditions. Stress plays a huge role. For example, if you have a big test the next day that you have not studied too much for, your mind will go in a state of mental or emotional strain or tension. As a result, it will be hard for you to go to sleep. Electronics are also a big cause in late nights. Staying up late on video games, watching TV, and using mobile devices are all causes of late nights. Overall, electronics are just a big distraction from your sleep pattern. Medical conditions like coughing, breathing difficulties, arthritis, or an injury leads to sleep disturbances. Chronic pain is the most common medical condition that causes late nights. For example, back pain or joint pain. So, what is sleep deprivation? Sleep deprivation occurs when an individual fails to get enough sleep. The more amount of sleep that a person needs varies from one person to another, but on average, most adults need about 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to feel alert and well rested. Most common reasons for sleep deprivation are phones, games, television, computers, and really any electronic that can keep you awake at night. Effects of sleep deprivation. Sleep deprivation can result in a variety of health issues in the long term, including memory problems, irritability, anger, reduced immunity, obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and even early death. Unfortunately, sleep deprivation has become a huge problem for everyone. Sleep habits can be made better by setting a daily routine. Have a set wake up time and sleep time. Try to keep similar schedule on weekday and weekends. Avoid electronics an hour before sleep time and use night shift mode. You may also use blue light reduction in your glasses. Avoid large meals, nicotine, alcohol, and caffeine. Keep your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. There are many types of sleep disorders. One of them is insomnia, in which you have difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep throughout the night. Sleep apnea is a disorder in which pauses in breathing or periods of shallow breathing during sleep occurs more often than normal. People who suffer from this have loud snoring. When there is a pause in breathing, oxygen level in blood goes down. The disorder disrupts normal sleep, so those affected may experience sleepiness or feel tired during the day. Sleep apnea, if untreated, leads to hypertension and heart failure. Narcolepsy is a chronic sleep disorder which causes daily drowsiness that is overwhelming and results in sudden sleep attack. During sleep attacks, the body falls asleep under any circumstances. There is no cure, but there are medications to control the sleep disorder. Sleep postures. By far the healthiest option for most people is sleeping on your back, which allows your head, neck, and spine to rest in a neutral position. This means that there's no extra pressure on those areas, so you're less likely to experience pain. Sleeping facing the ceiling is also ideal for warding off acid reflux. If you do not like sleeping on your back, and if you are a side sleeper, you should consider sleeping on the left side. It elevates acid reflux and heartburn, boosts digestion, stimulates the drainage of toxins from your lymph nodes, improves circulation, and helps your brain filter out waste. These are my references. And thank you for everyone who took the time out of their day to listen to my presentation.